What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the video, and I hope everyone's having an awesome, positive day. Be sure to like, comment, share, my great stuff. And we're back with top 10, my most amazing top 10, and this is top 10 disturbing Ring doorbell camera footage. Let's watch.
Imagine an alert on your phone wakes you up in the middle of the night saying that someone is standing at your front door. That would be pretty terrifying. And it happened to a number of people. From a visit from a creepy clown to a crazed woman trying to get inside someone's house. Let's talk about these and more only on today's top 10 list. Starting off this countdown, we have the slithery friend.
Snake? Is that a snake?
Oh, I don't like snakes. That is terrifying.
What is it? Oh.
Look how big it is.
It looks like an iguana.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Hell to the no. No.
Imagine that just crawling in your arm.
I would never go outside ever again. Where is this? Where are they living?
Slide.
Thank God in Canada we don't have just like snakes roaming around to like climb on our doors.
Anywhere
but imagine opening up the door and seeing that guy just like, hey, how's it going? That's my snake impression. But I think it would be vicious and like attack. No thank you, I really don't like snakes. They give me the heebie-jeebies. Moving on to number 9, we have the masked man. And if you guys are liking this video so far, then you know the drill. Hit that thumbs up button because it really helps us out.
Some weird.
The creepy masked man that you just saw came to the same house 3 times in 1 week. The homeowners, Richard and Sandra Gerber, were away on vacation when they got an alert that someone was at their front door. This man would come, ring the doorbell, and then leave. Like I said, he did this on 3 different nights. On one night, he tried to break in.
Mofo, you crazy.
Now, the owners alerted the police about this man, and so they actually staked out in their backyard. They were just waiting for the man to return, and they caught him. Turns out the scary masked man is a man named Walter Denight, and he was arrested and found guilty of attempted burglary. And our 8th spot, we have the creepy doll.
What the fuck?
Wow, but that thing's terrifying, especially with the sound effects. Can you imagine looking and you're like, oh, who's there? Oh, is it a Girl Scout? And you look and it's this girl? That's creepy. No thank you. Call the cops. Stay at your house. Get out of there. And then at number 7, we have the doorbell licker.
Oh, I remember this one. You know how many times I've seen this?
On Saturday, January 5th, in the early hours of the morning, a doorbell cam caught a strange man licking someone's doorbell system for 3 hours. Why did he do this? Well, that's the question we all want to know. Doesn't he have better things to do?
Sure.
Guess not.
Corona. Ugh.
The homeowners were confused as to who this man was and why he decided to target their house for a licking session. Well, they ended up giving the footage over to the police and they managed to catch the man. His name is Robert Arroyo, and apparently he has been accused of stealing extension cords from Christmas decorations. And so police recognized him instantly, and they too were weirded out by his
extension cord.
In our 6th spot, we have the uninvited guest.
Oh, spider? Ooh.
No.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
No. No.
It's a close-up too. Come on.
Ew. spiders there. Again, I'm glad that we don't have big spiders where I live, because that's a big note from me. Did you see that thing? It was massive! That's disgusting. Imagine somebody, like the mailman, coming up to your door, about to ring the door, and seeing that. No, no. Oh, whew. I feel like there's a spider on me now. Gross. We are now at our 5th and halfway mark with the clown. So a couple of years ago in Green Bay, Wisconsin, a number of residents were terrified after seeing this strange clown walking around in the middle of the night. The man you just saw in the video was named Gags the Green Bay Clown. He was first spotted at 2 a.m. on August 1st.
I remember when it came out.
Then over the night,
all
he would
these
stalk a number of
clown
homes.
sightings. It's been accurate. I mean, not accurate. You know what I mean?
If you're scared of clowns, then surely seeing this outside your house in the middle of the night would give you a heart attack. And at number 4, we have the eye.
Ew.
What do I do?
He needs to
Come
pluck
on,
his
you
eyebrows.
gotta-
That's what he's got to do. That was so creepy. All I heard is, hey, what do I do? There's a big creature. That's like literally all I heard, and that's all I need to hear because that's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. Who is this dude? Who is this house? Why doesn't he just call the cops? And why has he got a really creepy eyeball? And like I said, he's gonna pluck those eyebrows because, you know, they're not working. I hope that man's okay. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Coming in at number 3, we have the ghost. Now, what's terrifying about this next clip is the fact that we can hear somebody at the door, but we can't see anyone.
Oh no. The apparition. It's up at the top.
The Ring doorbell went off and started recording, so it clearly detected that something was there. But what is it? By sounds of the voice, it's probably a demon.
A demon.
I think it's time for that house to have an exorcism or something. If anyone can decode what that demon is talking about, then let me know. Maybe it's just cold and wants to come in and warm up. Moving on to number 2, we have the delivery.
Don't get me started.
Hear the police sirens? Oh my god. It's like they're coming for him.
I'm a little dressed up. What is that?
What is that? What did he just drop off on their front porch? I don't know, but I wouldn't open that. Nuh-uh. I have no clue what that is, and I don't want to know what that is because it's probably something bad because this looks like an evil man, and I don't like him. That's terrifying. And in our number 1 spot, we have the old woman.
Ew. Something always about an old woman. Huh? A white old woman.
She's not okay. She is possessed or something. I have no clue what was in her hand. She's definitely possessed by something. I don't know what's wrong with her. Her face looks evil. Like, that's an evil Karen right there, and I don't like that. See, this is why I don't want to get one of these doorbells. Like, I feel like I should because it's like I can spy on people that come and, you know. But at the same time, it's like, do I really want to know who's standing outside my house? Not really. It's scary. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know which video spooked you the most. And now let's move on to our comment shout-out portion. I'll be shouting out comments from the video. Top 10 creepiest items ever.
Definitely the Ring doorbell comes in handy because you never know who's out there, especially when you're on vacation. You'll be alert. You'll be alert. You'll be alert. And all these creepy, weird people, something wrong with you. Definitely. Something is wrong with you. So tell me guys what you think about this video. Be sure to like, comment, and share all that great stuff on my social media down below. And see you next time. Have the most awesome, positive, wonderful day. And until next time, it's your life. Do what you want and do it positively. Peace.